Hello, my name is Scott Pemberton, and I am a biologist and operations manager at McGill University's Morgan Arboretum. Today I'm here at the beautiful Belvedere Cemetery, talking a little bit about the nature that we can find here. Now, one of the beautiful things about the Belvedere Cemetery is that the nature that we find here is this beautiful space with plenty of trees and habitat and natural environment on site is also uniquely part of a very extensive green corridor. The Morgan Arboretum is right next door. They actually kind of share a border. Next to the Arboretum, there is a migratory bird sanctuary. And throughout the western tip of the island of Montreal, there are extensive environments and institutions doing amazing work on research, nature conservation, and environmental work in general. The cemetery benefits from this by having obviously a lot of beautiful nature on site, but also because of the green corridor that spreads vast space on this part of the island of Montreal, the biodiversity is increased. You find a lot more here than you would if it existed in isolation in a fragmented environment. You might see bird species, mammal species, insects, trees, plants here at the Belvedere Cemetery that you wouldn't get if it existed alone in the middle of a city. Because it's next to all of these other amazing green spaces, they benefit one another by promoting biodiversity. Another interesting benefit from that green corridor is that right now we are standing in one of the darkest spots on the island of Montreal in the evening. The level of light pollution is at its lowest on the island of Montreal at this location and at the Morgan Arboretum. So what that means is that during the day, I have this beautiful, vast green space that I can experience and spend time in. And in the evenings, I also get an amazing view of the stars, an amazing view of shooting stars, the sun, planetary orbits. All of the amazing nature that we have here is also shared with an amazing skyline in the evenings, amazing stargazing opportunities in the evenings. So it's a spot for natural conservation, but also just a place to take in what the world and what outer space has to offer on a daily and nightly basis.